Welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain Scout app review to see with what you're using. So let's get started with the in-depth review about Scout. Scout is a location sharing and navigation app that combines real-time GPS tracking, geofencing alert, and family driving report. It allows users to create cycle for friends or family, monitor driving behaviors like speeding or harsh braking, and get turn-by-turn navigation to loved ones. It's also compatible with both iOS and Android, which offer a free code features and include a traffic and school zone alert. Despite its strong feature set, Scout has a few drawbacks. Users have reported bugs after recent update, crashes, and routine glitches. The interface feels outdated. The app occasionally prompt unnecessary upgrade or permission. And here's a overall conclusion about this plan. The app simply works for families looking for free tracking and driving safety tools, but not ideal if you want a flawless navigation or a polished modern UI. And that's it.